As you may or may not have seen in an earlier video, while I was exiting this town, I went over the speed hump and into this pothole right here, which is very deep, and got a pinch flat. Some people call it a snake bite, and that would be well stated. I tried to fix the tube actually, which was a waste of time. Not only did it have sealant in it, which didn't help the vulcanization, but I forgot that I had cotton swabs to clean it with. Anyway, the patches didn't work very well. I kept the tube. I think it's still salvageable, but more than anything, I just don't want to litter. So anyway, I had a spare tube. I've been carrying two tubes, a 29er for the front and a 27.5 for the back. But lately I've only been carrying the 27 because it'll fit the front 29 as well. Well, there's a bit of a climb here, so I'm going to pause this until I get to the other side. I think I'm going to pause it. I just passed Camino de Meco, which is a hiking and bicycling path. But I elected to stay on the highway because things are a little squirmy. Welcome back, sports fans. Well, let me tell you what happened. The snake bite was fatal for the tube. I did try to patch it, like I mentioned, but So I popped the new one, and I just stopped here. This is Villanueva de la Torre, and I just stopped to put a little bit more air in that rear tire so I don't get another pinch flat. Now, like I was saying, almost always a pinch flat is the cyclist's fault. I went back and looked at that pothole, and it was pretty vicious. It was a deep pothole with a very sharp edge, and I didn't know what was there, so I didn't shift my weight, and the back tire got the full brunt of it. Now, I had just stopped for a beverage and know that the tire was inflated okay. It is possible, however unlikely, some air had escaped, but it was loaded with sealant, so it's unlikely that would have happened without my knowledge. Usually with sealant, you can see it leaking out, making burbly sounds, and makes a big mess, and you know you got something going on. But that wasn't the case. Anyway, what a nightmare. New rule: carry 2 spare tubes and don't try to patch one. I wasted about an hour. I mean, that's bicyclist stuff, and you know, but no. So like I said, I brought the old tube with me as not to litter, and I'll recycle it at home. We have a plastics dumpster just for inner tubes. Now, one of the questions is, as this tire is also a tubeless running tire, could I run it tubeless? I want to look into that, but if you get a pinch flat on the tire, you're really cooked. The tire didn't get damaged, and I examined the rim, and at least from what I could see, there's no damage. So the tire and the tube ate all the shock, but the tube didn't survive. Well, that just about does it, so I'm going to say stop recording.